I guess I probably should have thought about doing an unboxing video before I started tearing into this thing. Anyway, I bought a Haulmaster 400-pound dirt bike carrier. The one from Harbor Freight, you know, the all aluminum one. Yeah. That one. Anyway, I'm going to put it together because my dirt bike that I currently have that nobody wanted to buy in the fall, I'm going to go ahead and ride it like crazy. I just rebuilt the thing. It's got like 14 hours on the engine, so I might as well take advantage of that. But this is the all aluminum, and I'll kind of show you. The whole bike carrier plate is already assembled in the box. You've got your hitch mount plate, your ramp, and honestly, I have no idea what's in that box yet, but I'm going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing put together. Well, that was pretty fun and easy. You only need a 13mm and a 19mm to be able to bolt this whole thing together. I think it's kind of cool. It's got a stabilizer system on it, which doesn't really work that well for mine, but it will work enough to keep it from rocking side to side, and that's these stabilizers right here. Standard pin. 6 bolts on the carrier for the bike. And then the ramp hooks up just like that. That plate turns sideways and you can do tension. And the box full of stuff happened to be all the pins. And the tire locks. So apparently, you can see it right there. You can lock it around the tire once you put it up on the carrier. So now that that's all bolted together, I'm gonna load up my gear, load up the bike, and then head back to my campsite so that I have my bike with me, my raft with me, my mountain bike, and pretty much everything that I want to go ahead and have fun outdoors this summer. And just like that, I got my fully rebuilt 14 hours on the engine 2002 KTM XS 125. I would have loved to have got a bigger bike, but I had the opportunity to get a 125, so I did. And I also got a parts bike for it too, which is really cool because the parts bike has everything pretty much except for the top end, which, buy a new top end, I mean, seriously, it's not that expensive. But that's what it looks like once you got the whole setup done. So I'm just going to strap it down. The only thing that I've always been really iffy about when it comes to these with strapping them down is the fact that you always go from the bars down here to the middle point. I've always been really iffy about that. I've had carriers like this. I've made carriers like this. And my dumbass, every single time I do, I end up selling the dirt bike due to the fact that I don't want to dump a bunch of money into it because I already dumped a bunch of money into it. And I include the carrier every single time. I need to knock that off. So hopefully this is the last carrier I ever have to buy, even if the dirt bike goes away. Anyway, you guys take care. Hit that subscribe button. I will see you next time.